Hey all, welcome back to my channel, 1000 Little Miracles. In today's video, I'm gonna share how I made tiny flower vases and wire flowers with waste materials and wall putty. So, let's get started. Here, I'm mixing wall putty with water with thick consistency. Now I'll pour it into a plastic pouch. To remove the air bubble, tap it nicely. Now I'm gonna place a tiny glass jar into it. Tied with string, as I'm showing. Let it dry. For the second vase I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of blue color with wall putty mixture. I want to make marble pattern, so I will not mix the color properly. Now pour the mixture into another plastic pouch which is little bigger than the previous one. Now I'm gonna place a empty nail polish bottle in it. Tied with string as I'm showing. Let it dry completely. It may take 3 to 4 days to dry completely. After drying completely, remove the plastic and apply 2 coats of varnish on it. Our mini flower vases are ready now. This is such an easy DIY and I love the way it's got the texture, and the marble pattern is super cool. I'll make some wire flowers for the vase. I'm trying this for the very first time. So, if you have some suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. Isn't it pretty easy and beautiful? I am absolutely thrilled with how they've turned out. They would make absolutely gorgeous gift for your friends or family. So, please let me know what you think. I hope to see you again soon, and see you on some of my other videos too. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a very blessed day.